Hey everyone, welcome back to Yoga with RAMONI. We are going to start with our legs straight out in front of us. So if you want to lean on a wall or your headboard, that is absolutely fine. Just close your eyes and start to take some deep breaths. So you are just slowing your breathing down, breathing in and out through your nose. Gently lower your right ear to your right shoulder, and you have the option to place your right hand on top of your head, feeling a little neck stretch. Switch sides whenever you're ready. Come back to center, lower your hand, and let's lower our right ear to our right shoulder again, and now drop your head back, left ear to left shoulder, and chin to chest. Let's take that head circle one more time. Really take your time. And now switch directions. So 2 head circles to the opposite side. Come back to center and start to take some shoulder circles to the back. And maybe you place your fingertips on your shoulders and start to move your arms and your elbows back too. And now go to the front. Rest your hands back down to the bed as you flex your feet and reach your arms all the way up so that your arms are completely straight. And then reach for your legs or your feet for forward fold. I want you to relax your head, your neck, and your shoulders here as you focus on your breathing. Slowly roll back up and come into your side body stretch, lifting your left arm up and over. Really extend that left arm. Switch sides. Lower your right arm back down, and let's bring the inside of our wrist together. Now start to take some wrist circles here, just going in one direction. And now switch directions. Take your right fingertips and pull them down as your palm faces forward and Your right arm is straight, so you are just stretching out your right wrist and your hand and your fingertips. Switch sides. Release your arm and let's open our legs into a straddle position, stretching out those inner thighs. Now you can stay just like this, or you can start to walk your hands forward, coming into a forward fold. You can rest on the forearms, or you can even start to straighten your arms. Push your way back up, and you can either close your legs how we just had them, or you can come into a crisscross position. Rest your hands wherever they feel comfortable as you take some deep breaths. Begin to reach your arms up overhead. And now bring your hands to heart center. And let's take a big inhale, breathing in through your nose. And let it out through your mouth. Thank you so much for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.